Hello traders, welcome back to the second video on TTFX. I'm making a series on absolute beginners, so if you know your way around trading and you've been traded before, this is absolutely not for you. This is only for the beginners. I've already made the first video of how to use the MetaTrader on your phone, so it's very detailed video that you can watch. It's already been up for some time now. You can just go on my channel and watch it, and I'll also leave the link below so that you can look at that before you can come to the series of the lessons. So the lessons, I only put 3 here, but it's actually I'm gonna make a lot of them until you get to a proper scale. So number one, the first lesson of today is to check how the market move. We have 3 types that I am aware of, or the one that I pay attention to is sideways movement, which is consolidation, uptrend and downtrend. Uptrend and downtrend is just the opposite of each other. So I'm just gonna go jump into MetaTrader, and then we can look at those and see how they look. So here we have a 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and I'm gonna show you what we mean when we say the market is consolidating or it's moving sideways. This is the market here that is moving in a consolidation. It's moving sideways, meaning it's going up and down in a range. This is the range that I just highlighted there. So this market there is consolidating. It's not going up or down at that given time. So this is the condition where most traders don't take trades. They just wait it out. But the ones who love trading consolidation, they will go in on the high and set there or buy at the low. But most traders, they don't like this condition. They want the market that is trending. Which brings us to the second type of movement in the Forex market, or in the markets rather. So the second types of movement is the downtrend. Downtrend just means the market is moving down aggressively or slow, but it's making the same zigzags but going down. The overall movement is down. It will always make zigzag because the market is like an elastic. That's how I was taught by my mentors. It stretches and relaxes all the time at a given time. So it will always have those zigzags kind of movement because it is never one smooth movement at once. So the downtrend just means it's making those zigzags, but it's going down. The overall movement is down. Okay, so that's what we mean by a downtrend. The uptrend is just the opposite, really. So the uptrend is right here. As you can see, the market is going up, down, up, down, up. So this, all in all, is an uptrend. This is what the traders are looking for, because they know if it goes up, when it relaxes, they want to take a trade going higher. And then it goes up, when it relaxes, they want to take trade going higher, like that. So the reasoning behind them taking the trades at the lows, don't worry about that. We'll get into it as the lesson go on. At the moment, all you have to understand is the market does that. It goes up and down like that. It's like an elastic band, like I've said before. Even if when the market looks like this, it looks like here, it looks like it's just one move. It's not. It's like that because we're looking at the here at the top at the 1 hour. But if we were to change that time frame and go into lower time frame, you'll see that the market is also doing the zigzags in this given area. So the market is never making one long movement. It's always having those zigzags. Even if you can look here on this downtrend, this downtrend, it also has those zigzags like that. The reason behind it, they will cover them as the lesson continues. But those are the 3 types of the movement. The ones that most people pay attention to is the trending market, not the consolidation. If it's moving sideways, traders don't like that. They want the market that is trending, going down or going up. That's what we're looking for when you take a trade, before you take trades. So this is basically the end of lesson 1, because I just wanted to cover this so that when we go to lesson 2, where we cover support and resistance, as you can see, when we cover support and resistance, you can understand when I talk about that, because they play a big role into determining if the market is in range, meaning consolidating, or if it's trending, how to determine that using support and resistance and the dynamic support and resistance. We'll look at that also, and how to draw and spot all those things. We'll go and look them at the lesson 2. And something that you need to be aware of is these lessons, they add on to each other. So the first lesson will always be the second lesson will always add to the previous one, so they will add like that. So you need to watch all the lessons for you to make sense of everything that we're talking about here. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm hoping I'll see you again on the next one. So if there's something that I missed or something that you feel like you don't understand, leave the comment below and I'll attend to it. And if you want the one-on-one session, we can arrange that, giving I have a lot of time, but because these are the free lessons and I'm not giving a paid mentorship at the moment, just leave your comment and then I'll get back to it. So just like that, folks, good luck and keep learning. See you on the next one.